women, beautiful, all shapes, sizes, colors.
27th November, we at Sirisa Institute, we're actually holding a tribunal by the Feminist Task Force where we have witnesses that have come to testify how climate change has affected their livelihoods. And we have expert witnesses that deal with non-governmental organizations that help these women in their issues to do with poverty and climate and stuff like that. So the witnesses have already said their version, and the expert witnesses have said their version, and the jurist is going to give recommendations. So as the Feminist Task Force, we're looking at gender and gender equality and to eradicate poverty. So this is our agenda in Botswana. We're looking at helping out women.
Global Call Against Poverty is an organization that is a group alliance of different organizations from all over the world. It has trade unions, human rights organizations, non-government organizations, which all come together for a common purpose, and that is to eradicate poverty, among other things. It aims to deal with issues of human rights, governance, and gender equity, and things of the sort.
We are an advocacy organization that focuses on human rights. We also have an outreach office in Kasane. Kasane office was specifically set up to look at land rights issues. Ya bo mabele mmidi e bongrei tota itswa ka nna ya ka go ngwala ka tlhaloganya gore mebu ya bona moteng ka go ke mebu ya seloko se harologanya le mathaba ka ditsela tse di harologanya so seloko se na le gone gore ha pula dina metse a ska ba kgona go tsena ka pela a ba kgona gore a eme e bo le hali pula e seng kalokalo go hele le gona le merwalela mo ngwageng e bona o sa tsong go heta ka gone gore re se tsena le phetogo loapi dipula di na mo go sa tlwaelesegang go heletse go affecta go 20% ya temo e mo ke tsana gore mme kana hala gore motho a ba go latlhegela ke 20% ka ntata ya metsi ha gore batho ba bereka mo masimong ka gantsi re ra gore tlhaloganya gore ya go le bomme
ito di re gateletse ba ga rona go tshole jano di to di dintse mo ileng gore mo di hita batho mo nka re di hita population ya Botswana. I'm telling you, la ha o ka re wa lema, la ha o ka re wa tratel to ye khata hela yana ha tratel ga itula ha mo itula hela e ba phoko ya yona mo tratel e khatelela be itula ya go tsena mo tshimo go ja ha ka re di bulawe di hele a go di hukudiwe mo Botswana.
Now, my question is, haven't there been placed any task force to see maybe if we could have a separate entity for maybe elephant farms, game farms, and maybe export them either live or, as you've suggested, has that never been spoken about over the years?
This lady emisitswe go bola ka 1989 go ta tsana na go polokeno ga di diresepe
gantsi go tshwara ditlhabi ka sane ga di rekisa ba bona madi ba tsetsa bana ka ona
ha metsi a le mantsi ra boretsa gore re thusegile re kana le borka tshwanetse ditapi ha le segolo bogolo mo lehelo le le tshwana le lone la Kasane go tlhelele batho ba ba tshube ga gona go ba tshwanang ditapi tse di diwa mo Kasane ke ditapi tse di tswang ko Namibia ha re setse re ano re tsena mo motseng wa Kasane gone go nna go na le gone gore batho ba ka tsena ba go tshwara ditapi go noki. Unfortunately ditsha tse di ka go nokeng tse di abilweng tse letsote ga di neele batho that access ya gore ba ka tsena ba go tshwara dithapi go go hela go ka zungunya ke di-hotela ke di-lodge ke di-shopo.
And there is a big market here of tourists that come and they don't have very much to take away with them. And so we saw this gap. So there were some Peace Corps volunteers who had been working all around the country making paper beads out of recycled paper.
Re dirile di ba ka dipampiri re dirisa bo 5 roses ke na le bana ba le bararo gape ke na le orphan mo lapeng ke a ba thusa gore go ka go reka di-uniform ke kgona go reka dijo ko lapeng ke kgona go duela rent.
We're talking about poverty. We're talking about women who are trying to make a life out of subsistence farming and it's not working. What do? We don't know what's going to happen with climate change. Some people are predicting the end. There are so many theories. So the time now is not to depend on farming by itself. It's to look at projects like what the testimony from mothers to all. If we are to eradicate poverty. Right now, we are very lucky because our former president has been chosen as the special envoy to the United Nations on climate change. Women should use this as an opportunity. If our president is traveling the world talking about climate change and poverty, what is he doing back at home? And what are we doing? How can we use those forums to improve our livelihood and how the impacts of climate change?
When you talk about issues at home, yes, they listen to you, but then there isn't really much change that they do. They put up on their policies and stuff like that. But when there's international pressure with the UN involved, with that president and that president involved, therefore people get to listen more and want to impress the international world, so they will try and change things.
And the most important things, which should be an important recommendation to take over, is getting women to network.
Without networking, you can't do anything. And you can't work alone. You have to work as a team.
So this song is for all you women today. And this is why I want to sing it for you. A woman, I am. And please, won't you take the time to have the courtesy to apologize. A woman, I am. By the number of children born, will you please stop this judgment and scorn? My